What's up guys, Jones Baller here back with another video. Today we're going to be going over how to make a filter where your face is distorted, kind of like this. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do is open up Lens Studio. And once you guys get that open up, we're going to want to start a new project. And now we are going to go up here to objects. We're going to go right over here to face effects, and then we'll go to face stretch. So I've actually been seeing a lot of Megamind filters trending on Snap the past few days, and if you guys aren't sure who that is, I'll pull up a picture right here. Megamind, as you can see, his face is stretched. He's got a skinny chin and a big forehead, so we're going to try to recreate that today and try to hop on that trend so we can go trending as well. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to want to start pulling these dots down, and that actually stretches the face. As you can see over here, her face is being stretched, and then we're going to start wanting to make this skinnier right here. So we're going to want to make her chin really small and pretty pointy, and we'll just do that by dragging these dots right here, and that's a pretty good width, but we want it a little skinnier, so we're just gonna keep going like that. Bring this up a little bit to try to straighten that out. That looks pretty good right here for the chin, and then I also want to bring this up a little bit, and this just so it's not as bumpy right in here. We want it to be as straight as possible so it looks the best. And then what we're going to want to do is come up here to the forehead. As you know, he has a pretty big forehead, so we're just going to start by moving his hair up right here, kind of moving this. And as you know, it's not just the hair that's big, it's the forehead, so we're going to come down here to the dots on the forehead, and we're going to start pulling these up just like that. So I mean, as you can see, we're already starting to get a good look like Megamind, but we still need to come down here and do some touching up, because as you can see, it's not that straight. We got a lot of bumps in here, but we just want to make this look as close to Megamind as we can. So I'm just going to press Ctrl-Z to go back, because that didn't work out very well. There we go. So we're kind of getting a little better face, and if you guys actually want to test this out, if you have a webcam, there's this cool feature where you can actually press right up here, and as you can see, here I am. So we got a little test of it. I got a hat on so you can't really see, but we got a lot of forehead there, so that's looking pretty good. And as you can see, there's a little bump here. That's probably just my chin bone, but you know, I'm gonna take that off because it's a little awkward. But as you can see here, we already have a pretty good Megamind filter, and you can actually do this for any type of distortion, any type of characters in movies you want to portray, and those filters really, they do very well. So it's a good idea to start making filters like these if you want to gain more subscribers and get more views on your filters. So I'm gonna go up here to project info, and I'm gonna call this Megamind, and I actually already have a picture picked out for the icon, so I'm just gonna use this right here. I think it's a really good picture that will pull people into it, so I'm just gonna press apply right there. And I don't really want to preview for this one because I just want people kind of click on it and see what it is. So I'm just gonna press apply here, and I'm gonna press publish lens, and we should know by now we click submit a new lens, and I'm just gonna type Megamind distortion, cute, funny filter, and that's pretty good for the tags. We'll come over here to scan triggers and put person, because this is for a person, and then we'll do submit lens here. And as you guys know, we'll just wait a few moments and the lens will go live eventually. As you can see, guys, we've been doing pretty good the past few days. Got a big reach, a good amount of views, but I'm looking to hit 3 million within the next few days, even maybe 4 million. But it's looking pretty good, guys, and I'm excited to see if you guys are getting these same numbers after watching my tutorials. Thank you guys